everyone. In this video I will tell you about Python data structure. Before starting the video, I just want to let you know that what is data structure and why data structure is used. So what is data structure? Data structure is a specific way of organizing, storing and managing data in a computer storage or manager. And why data structure is used? Data structure is used for access, modifying like insertion, deletion and perform some operation like searching element, storing element, etc. It also used to build algorithm. Let's talk about data structure of Python. In Python there are four type of data structure available. First list, second tuple, third dictionary, fourth set. So talk about similarities and dissimilarities among them. So take some example from each and talk about them one by one. First close the notepad, open the Visual Studio Code. At first let's talk about similarities between list, tuple, dictionary and set. First, list is defined with a data type called list and a specific name. Here I have taken two lists, list 1 and list 2, and list will start with third bracket. Then talk about tuple. Tuple is also defined a keyword called tuple and a specific name. Here I have taken two tuple, tuple 1 and tuple 2. Tuple will start with first bracket, or you can say parenthesis. And next, dictionary. Dictionary also defined with a keyword called dict and a specific name. Here I have taken two dictionary, dictionary 1 and dictionary 2. Dictionary will be start using curly bracket or second bracket. Next talk about set. Set also has a data type called set and a specific name. Here I have taken two sets, set 1 and set 2. Set also start with curly bracket. Here has some similarity between them. First similarity is all those data structure can store duplicate value except set. It is the dissimilarity part. By for general knowledge I just tell you. So talk about some other similarity. List, tuple, dictionary and set can store different type of data. Means if a list or tuple or dictionary or set hold a different type of data, then they will become heterogeneous, and if they store same type of data they will become homogeneous. Let's talk about some operation performed on them. Here if you want to check the length of those data structure, using length function you can check the length of those data structure. Here I have already written using length function, and inside the length function just I put one list name. I take list 2. At first let's run the all code and then you can better understand. So here you can see length of the list is 4. Here you see list 2 stored 4th element 1, 2, 3 and 4, and see on tuple hold 5 element 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's see what about dictionary. Yes, dictionary also hold 4 element 1, 2, 3 and 4, and then set also stored 4 element. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4. So using length function is similar to all data structure. Then talk about nested. Nested means inside the list you can put another list, you can put another tuple, you can put another dictionary, you can put another set. So it is applicable for other data structure. Here you can see inside the tuple I have declared another tuple and take another list. Then in dictionary I have put another list, and then inside the set I have already put another set. Then let's talk about iteration or membership check. Membership check, its mean. So I will let you see an example. Here you can see I'm performing on list. So here you can see I write just if occurs in list, means here you can see Akash is already present into my list number 2, list 2, and I'm checking if Akash in list 2, means if Akash is present or not. So using membership statement we can check if an element is present inside the list or not, and membership statement give an answer, or you can say return us into true or false. So basically if Akash is present, then membership statement give us true. If Akash is not present, then membership statement return false. And if statement can make a decision, and we call if statement is a decision making statement. So basically what is if doing here? If is doing just basis on true or false, it allowed to enter into the if statement, means if membership statement return us true, then you enter this for this two line. So if the membership statement return true, then if statement allow you to enter and print those two line. If membership statement return as false, then if statement is not satisfied, then else part will be executed. So in this way membership statement is work. Then let's talk about iteration. Iteration means if we want to print all the element, then we using iteration function. Here I am using for loop for iteration. Here you can see inside for loop I have taken another variable called item, and for loop is taking one by one element and inside into the item variable, then it print one by one. Here you can see at first iteration it print 1, then second iteration it print 2, then 3, then 4. So those are the basic similarities between list, tuple and dictionary. In the next video I will tell you about dissimilarities, because there has more dissimilarities between them. So see you next video. Thank you.